Okay, we're going to look at how to solve percents when they are greater than 100. So for instance, if I have an equation that says 150% of 60. Now, because your percentage is over than 100, that means the number that you come to, your answer is going to be greater than 60. So just like the last video, in order to find the percent or what you're going to multiply, you're going to take this as 150 and you're going to move a decimal twice. So you're going to put a decimal there and move it twice. So you're going to have 1.50. So if I do 1.50 or just 1.5 times 60, I receive 90. Now what that means is if I, in my calculator, I do 90 divided by 60, my calculator is going to read it as 1.5, which means I move it back 2 spots and I get 150%. If I have 120% of 90, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to move it twice and I get 1.2 times 90, or you can do 90 times 1.2. It's the same thing because it's multiplication. You plug that in your calculator and you will receive 108. Same thing if I plug it in my calculator to check my answer. I take my 108 divided by 90 and I get 1.2, which would be 120%. Another problem, a bigger percentage. If I have 325% of 40, again, my answer should be bigger than 40 because I'm over 100%. So I move this twice, 1, 2, I get 3.25 times 40, or 40 times 3.25. You plug that in your calculator, you'll receive 130. Now, check your answer. 130 divided by 40, I'll plug that in my calculator. Now I'm going to get an answer of 3.25. And I move it twice, 1, 2, and I have 325%.